So this is how you get to the Restoration Therapy Center portal. Your therapist will give you the login for the portal. You type it in up here. And the box is Dominique-Brookshire 4251, Client Secure Me. If you're a new client, you'll click here for New Client. And you'll go and it'll direct you to entering your information. First-time clients will need to input their information and their credit card information. But existing clients, you can enroll in auto pay. Talk to your clinician about it. We're going to do I'm an existing client today. It will prompt you to enter your email address. And I have one there already saved. My email address. Now go email me the link. So now I'll go over to my email address. And I'll see the sign-in area here. This link is a one-time link, instantly sign in until 5:47. So I'll go ahead and sign in to the portal. And here is your client portal. You can see your appointments, you can see your documents, and you can see your billing and payments. And so for billing and payments, you can see your remaining balance and you can choose to pay it. You have your invoices there, your statements, your insurance reimbursement, and account history. You will find your super bill that you will use for reimbursement with your insurance agency under the insurance reimbursement statements. And they will be listed here with the date of service, the name of it, the invoice number, and the amount that was paid. This is your billing section. In your documents, you will see all documents for that you signed during your intake session, and you can go back and reflect on those or look at those. You also see your appointments, and here it will list any upcoming appointments, any requested appointments, and then it will give you the option to request an appointment. Request an appointment, select the service that you choose to be seen for. You'll select video for virtual office, and it'll give you the list of appointments there with the times and the dates. It gives you a morning, afternoon, and evening. So I'm going to book an appointment for 5 p.m. I booked that appointment for 5 p.m. and it gives me my information there. It says the link, the video link will be emailed to you 10 minutes before your session. Okay? So this is how you do it. If you need to add it to your Google Calendar, your Apple Calendar, or Outlook, you can do that all here, or you can cancel the appointment. As simple as that. And you can book a new appointment. So then you'll see it there on your dash for upcoming cancellations. So that's how you utilize the Restoration Therapy Center on-site booking app. You can also see your super bills and any of your documentation presently there.